This is the elevator here at Macy's at the Brunswick Square Mall in East Brunswick, New Jersey.
This is a welcome elevator.
Let's listen to this motor. This is awesome. This is going on another ride.
Yeah.
Going down?
Yes.
Oh, what floor are you going to?
First floor, yeah.
Oh, Gesundheit. Man, I can't get enough of these fixtures. They're beautiful.
Okay. We'll go for another ride then.
All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Chime doesn't work anymore. Let's listen. Door close button does not work.
This thing is a jewel.
You can say that again. Signal button doesn't do anything. Capacity 6,000 pounds. Indicators burned out. They did replace these doors a few years back.
I don't know what the point of those up and down buttons are.
You know what? I think it raises and lowers the car for inspection.
Maybe.
I have no idea where the machine room is, but I'm gonna send it up and see if we can hear it from the outside.
So I can't believe that it took this much searching.
Alright, and any day now. There it goes, and let's listen. Beautiful motor, even though it's not original.
This thing is a jewel. This thing is
And
beauty.
that's it.